Example 1c. Solve the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 1 equals 23. Now, notice we have to do some algebra to rewrite this equation into a form quantity squared equals k. So, let's begin by solving for x squared. To do that, we need to add 1 to both sides first. So let's add 1 to both sides. And that'll give us 2x squared equals 24. And now let's continue. We're solving to get a quantity squared on the left. So let's divide both sides by 2. And that gives us x squared equals 12. Notice we are now in the form where we can apply the square root property. Quantity squared equals some value k. How do we do that? We take the positive and the negative square root on the right side. Now, I'm going to use the shorthand notation and say that when you take the square root of x squared, this is equal to plus or minus the square root of 12. Can we simplify this farther? Yes. We can take the square root of 12, and let me look at that. The square root of 12, although not a perfect square, is equal to 4 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2 times 3. That shows us that the square root of 4 is 2, or in other words, there's 2 factors of 2, so we can pull out a factor of 2, and the square root of 12 simplifies to 2 times the square root of 3, which we write as x equals plus or minus 2 times the square root of 3. Our solution set then consists of the two numbers, negative 2 times the square root of 3 and positive 2 times the square root of 3, both of which, when we substitute back in for x into our original equation, should give us a true statement. And again, I'll leave that check for you.